Yes, reinforcing a door after a previous kick-in can restore function and greatly improve security when done correctly. Start by assessing the damage thoroughly so you know whether the door, jamb, or frame needs primary attention. For split or cracked jambs, remove loose wood, then fit a steel jamb reinforcement plate that spans the damaged area and extends along the frame to undamaged wood. To use construction adhesive plus long structural screws that penetrate at least 2 1/2 inches into the wall framing to pull the assembly together. For a damaged door edge, replace any broken stile or fit an edge-mounted steel reinforcement kit that clamps and bolts through the door to restore lateral strength. When the lock area is compromised, install a heavy-duty backset reinforcement or a bar-style lock that transfers load to the reinforced jamb and the stud framing rather than the strike alone. If the threshold or bottom of the frame is split, add a metal strike or a full-length reinforcement that ties into the sill and a floor-mounted anchor when possible. After repairs, tighten and torque fasteners to manufacturer specifications and test the door under load by applying steady pressure and, if available, using a pry bar to verify the reinforcements hold without further movement. Common mistakes include relying only on short screws which pull out of damaged wood easily, so always use long structural screws into framing. Trying to cover a split jamb with filler or cosmetic trim without internal reinforcement, so remove loose material and use plates or sistering techniques. And installing a supplemental lock that is poorly aligned so it does not bear load properly, so measure and pre-fit hardware, then tighten anchors while the door is closed to ensure correct transfer of force. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find local contractors who can repair and reinforce compromised doors and frames, and we help contractors find work on relevant projects. We also host a discussion community where members share real repair experiences, product recommendations, and step-by-step tips.